What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's the boy Shingy, as per usual. You already know what it is. We're in the stew slash my room. I don't know, man. Like, trust me, this is how I am every day in everyday life. Like, it's actually pretty crazy. But let's get straight to the video, guys. So I'm bringing you guys a quick how-to video, how to fix the back of this. Look at mine, it's working. I'd already recorded the video, so this is why it's showing as the date and all those adjustments. I think they actually print onto the picture as well. Not sure, but I just know how to fix it. I just tried it and then I fixed it, so I decided to make a video for you guys to sort of fix yours as well. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the video. What you're gonna need is a precision screwdriver. This one's from Mastercraft, and you're gonna need a CR2025 battery, which is this guy. I showed it in the video as well, so you guys could get to see that and take a note of that. This battery is universal to probably like almost every film camera with this digital back, whichever the thing is called, I don't know, but I'm gonna search it up. The battery is pretty universal to all cameras, so it should work if you pick that up, but you could open up the camera before and then see if it's the exact same battery, but chances are it's the same battery because I've checked on multiple cameras. It is the same battery. So this is just a quick video to show you guys how to fix that if you really want to fix it. But yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that right now. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be giving away the camera that I'm gonna be using as an example. So y'all fucking hold it down, bro. Like, you know, mans are fixing shit. We out here. Follow me on Instagram at shopbyshingy. Check out the website, check out the brand, check out everything. Thank you guys for your support. You guys are so helpful. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. Enjoy the video.
I was living in dreamland. Till I woke up and you let me on, but let me breathe. She wanted to sleep. I'm rolling the covers all day trying to reach old dreams that we used to make.